guys, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another video. Now I know this is not anything crafty, but I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. I've been working on reorganizing the whole entire house, and I started today with the closet. I started to straighten up downstairs a little bit in the craft room, but then I started to read Marie Kondo's book, and it suggests that you start with easy things like clothes first and more sentimental things keep towards the end, which crafting stuff is very personal and very, I'm gonna have a hard time going through it. That's really what I want to say about that, because I have a ton of stuff and purging is going to be hard. So I have to practice on things like clothes and things that are probably easier to get rid of. Okay, so you'll notice that there's a couple things over here. This jacket, this is a suit jacket for interviews and work and stuff. This is the only one that I have, so I kept it, but I didn't organize coats yet, so I just kind of left that in here. This shirt is staying. I missed it when I did the whole entire pulling out. I did short sleeve shirts, then I did long sleeve shirts because I had so many clothes. This entire thing here was full. This entire thing here was full. This back here was completely full. I had stuff all over the floor. So there's random things down here that I need to get rid of, find a home for. But these are things that I haven't organized yet. The whole point of the Marie Kondo method is to, see if the things give you joy, but to do them in a specific order. So if you're doing coats, you take out like for guys, sports coats, you take out interview jackets, you take out windbreakers, winter coats, fur coats, things like that, that you may have. So I haven't gotten to some of these items yet, so that's why some of them are still sitting in the closet. And I've also looked at having somebody come out and design closets for me. A little while ago I had that done. Now that I know kind of what I have, I can get a better idea of which design I liked the best. Okay, so that's the closet, and I kind of just want to show you guys, this is the mess that's out here. These are some random things, like I haven't done towels yet. My bed has like purses and stuff on it. That I haven't done yet. That's cleaning stuff, that's the Norwex stuff. Those jeans, I just was trying to figure out if I was going to wear those today. And then there's more towels in the back, so those I haven't done yet. And there is my little Fred. Didn't have to, hi buddy, didn't have to organize him yet, he's staying. So just bags and stuff on the floor. So then let me take you out into where the real work got done. So 1, 2, 3, these 3 bins right here, these laundry baskets. This one is just a traditional laundry basket, and these are like hamper ones that I think that I got at Target. You can see that, probably see that one better. These are the clothes that I'm keeping. Let me show you guys the clothes that I'm getting rid of. So I can't believe that I got rid of this much stuff. I am like the worst when it comes to getting rid of things. These are 2 jackets that I have to go into the closet downstairs so that when I do all the jackets, they're all together. Those are upstairs in my closet because I washed them and I forgot to bring them downstairs. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags, and they're all huge. The only exception is this Kirkland's one, but that one even still is pretty big. Huge purge. I couldn't believe that I got rid of all this stuff because I'm normally not like this. I usually am like, today I must have just been in the mood to get rid of things, because this would have taken me 10 times longer if I was in a different mood. And at this point it is, let me just check my watch and see what time it is. It is a little after 4:30, and I started about 9:30 this morning, and then I stopped to have breakfast and lunch, so it's probably about an hour less than what the actual time is right now. And I actually stopped a little while ago because I got showered, so I really didn't do it for that long. Here are this is the girls' room. There's not too much stuff in here. The bed is kind of crazy. It's full of stuff. So these are all the jeans and pants and shorts and stuff that I have to put away. I put them in the pile, so I'm going to be keeping them. The dresses are over there, and then there's some towels over here that I haven't gotten to yet. I was going to start doing that, and then I looked at the time and realized that it was pretty late. There's socks down there that I haven't found matches to, but I'm pretty sure that I have a match for them. So I kind of just put them over to the side, and we'll wait and see how that, if they I have a match after this whole thing, then they'll go away. They'll go in the drawer. If not, they'll get thrown away. And then we have all of these hangers there. There's actually bathing suits under there. I forgot about doing that pile. So I will work on that pile tomorrow, but look at all of these hangers. I want to go to Target and get some regular hangers. And then these are clothes that just, like, those polka dot pants actually have a rip in them, so I threw them away. There are some towels that are, you know, they used to be white, and from use so much, they started to turn yellow, so I'm like, I'm not going to do any of them. There's socks with holes in them that I just never got rid of, so that's all the stuff. And then I think it just goes back here a little bit. Like, that's a really, really old state police sweatshirt. I actually had 2 of them, and I think I threw them both away because they were so old and they were getting frayed. So that's it. But this is all of the, and I seriously cannot believe that I got rid of all of this stuff. I'm like super proud of myself. And again, this was just one room, just my closet and my dresser. So the dresser is not full yet. These are all the clothes that have to get, I'm going to wash everything again. They were on the floor, so I think I want to wash everything, and then I will put them away. I have to go buy regular hangers because all of those hangers that are in there, they're all different styles and sizes, and I just kind of want everything to be uniform, and the plastic ones break pretty easily. I have some of the Target ones. I have some ones from Kohl's. I have ones from different brands. Like Kohl's has different hangers. They have the clear ones, and then like sometimes they'll have the Vera Wang ones and Jennifer Lopez ones. So I have all different kinds of hangers in there. So that's just a quick peek at the first steps of the Marie Kondo method. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. So these are all going to get washed. I'm going to do some wash tomorrow and then finish cleaning up the bedroom. I will go through the sheets and the towels. That's pretty much what I have left to do, or sheets and towels, and then just find homes for these random things until I get to those categories. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below or message me, and I will be back soon for another crafty video. But I was just super proud of myself that I went and organized. So if you guys have any questions about the Marie Kondo method, anything on the way that I did it, because I'm pretty sure that I didn't do the traditional way, but I followed it kind of, sort of. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again real soon. Bye!